Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is video about how to build a game character stat tracker. Hopefully you already read description. Let's start coding. First of all, we need to define class game character. I hope you don't mind that I will go straight away to the tests. It will be easier for me to track what we have to do. We passed first test. Test 2, we need to have init method in our game character class. Init method should accept two parameters, self and name. Tests 2 and 3 are done. For test number 4, we need to have self underscore name equals name inside our init method. Test 4 is done. Inside the init method also supposed to be self underscore health equals 100, self underscore mana equals 50, and self underscore level equals 1. It is tests 5, 6, and 7. Now we need to implement tests from 8 to 11. First of all, we will add our property decorator. Then we have to create method name and pass self as a parameter. The method should return self underscore name. We created our first getter. As the next step, we are implementing tests 12, 13, 14, and 15. Here we just can copy the name getter and replace name with health. Tests 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21 are health setter. To create setter, we need to use decorator add health.setter. Then we need to create method called health. This method will accept two parameters, first self and another parameter that we will call new health. If the new health parameter that we are passing inside the method is less than 0, then we have to assign self underscore health to the 0. If the parameter that we are passing inside the health method is more than 100, then we have to assign self underscore health to 100. Else, if the value is between 0 and 100, we should assign self underscore health to new value. Setter is ready, let's check this out. Test 22, 23, 24, 25, it is a getter for mana. Same wise, copy, replace health and mana. Test 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31, it is a setter for mana. It looks almost the same like health setter, we just can copy it and change. Now it is mana setter, mana method that is accepting new mana. If a new value is less than 0, that we assign it to the 0. Mana is supposed to be not more than 50, so we change 100 to the 50 and change half to the mana. And of course, we are changing else statement, self underscore mana equals new mana. Great, let's move forward. Test 32, 33, 34, 35, it is a getter for level. Copy the getter you want and replace everything to the level. Tests 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41, it is level up method. To to be sure we don't have to debug anything, let's pass tests one by one. Define level up method and pass self as a parameter. It is tests 36 and 37. Self underscore level we should increase by 1. Test 39, self half supposed to be equal 100. Test 40, self mana equals 50. And also a level up method should print name level up to level, where name and level should be replaced with self name, self level. The last method string, it is test 42, 43, 44. Method string supposed to have only one parameter self. Tests 42, 43 are done. And for passing test 44, we need to print multi-line string where name, level, half and mana replaced with their values. I will just define the line variable that is contain empty string and will concatenate to this line all the character stats line by line, separated by escape character. I think it is it. Let's check this out. And we need to return the line. Okay, it is it. We passed all the tests. Thank you for watching. All the source code will be in description to this video. See you next time. Bye bye.